Let's go over some recommended setups to record high quality video and audio with Riverside. We're going to go over two setups. I'm going to show you a starter level, which will cost just about $50 to get a good USB mic, and some tricks you can do to make sure your video looks great with the built-in camera that you have. And I'll show you an advanced setup with an upgraded microphone, a little bit of lighting, and better video quality. Now, if you have no budget to buy any equipment, the built-in microphone on a lot of modern laptops actually sounds pretty good. If you're using wireless headphones like AirPods, we would actually recommend using the microphone built into your laptop or desktop device. Unless it's very far away, it will actually sound a lot better than those AirPod microphones. But at a starter level, you can spend $50 and get a good quality USB microphone like this one. This is the Audio-Technica ATR2100X. What's great about this microphone is it has a USB connection, so you can connect this directly to your computer, iPad, or even an iPhone, and an XLR connection if you want to connect this to an audio interface later. Plus there's a headphone jack, which becomes important in a moment. With a microphone like this, you just need one USB-C cable, and it comes with one in the box. Connect one into the microphone, and the other end into your computer. And that's it. That microphone also comes with a small stand, which will be great so you don't have to hold the microphone the whole time you're recording. Next, we would recommend using a pair of wired headphones. You can use AirPods and other wireless headphones, but wired headphones will be the least amount of latency, meaning the least amount of delay between your remote guests and when you hear them. And when you have a pair of wired headphones, you can plug them into the USB microphone like this and hear both your remote guests and yourself in the microphone. It may be a little awkward to hear your own voice while you speak, but it's important because you can monitor your own volume levels, how your microphone technique is doing, are you too close, too far, and it'll give you a chance to hear any weirdness going on in the audio or room noise because you're hearing your microphone in addition to your remote guest. Now, if you'd like to record video for your content, using the built-in webcam on your device will do just fine, although we would recommend propping up your device just with whatever books or other boxes you might have around so it gets a little closer to eye level. Once you have your microphone set up and you've propped up your device, I'm going to go to record here in my Riverside studio. I'll choose the built-in camera of my laptop here, and instead of my laptop microphone, I'm going to choose my USB microphone here. And then for your speaker option, I'm actually going to choose the USB microphone as well. Because I connected those wired headphones to the USB mic, that's actually going to be how I hear my remote guest. Now let's join the studio. Once you're here, you can invite other remote guests by clicking invite and sending others that guest link. Let's record with this setup for a moment so you can see what kind of quality you'll get from the built-in camera on your laptop and a USB mic. What you're seeing and hearing right now is the video from my laptop camera being recorded into Riverside, and the audio is coming from that Audio-Technica ATR2100X USB mic. This setup is going to get you good quality video and audio. It's great for interviews, podcast recording, maybe talking head videos and tutorials, and you still have all the Riverside tools available to you like screen sharing, media board files, and more. Now, if you want to go that next level up in audio quality and video quality, we would recommend the Shure MV7 Plus microphone. Like that Audio-Technica, it has both the USB-C connection, so it easily connects to your devices, and the XLR connection, plus the headphone jack is right here, like the other mic. Like before, we're going to connect that USB cable to the microphone, and plug our wired pair of headphones directly into the microphone as well. Now, to upgrade our video quality, I'm actually going to use my mobile device as my camera. If you have an iPhone and a Mac, you can use Continuity Camera, or you can use one of Riverside's new features called Mobile Cam. To use our Mobile Cam feature, here in the lobby before you go into the studio, click on the camera options and choose Connect Mobile Cam. Now you'll see a QR code. Make sure you have the Riverside app installed on your mobile device, and then scan that QR code. When you do, it will automatically open the Riverside app, and now I'm using my iPhone or Android device as the camera in my Riverside studio. I'm also going to choose that Shure MV7 Plus as both my microphone and speaker output. I'll choose I'm using headphones, and then you can mount your mobile device on your laptop lid or desktop lid. I can use the Riverside mount right here, and then it can just sit on my laptop lid like so. Belkin also makes adapters like this for iPhone, both on laptops and desktops, and we'll make those links available to you. And finally, to get better video quality, lighting is extremely important. You can get an LED light like this one from SmallRig. Has a little softbox, meaning this little white silicone that goes over the light that helps diffuse it and make it not as harsh. But if you don't have budget for a light, just make sure you're sitting facing a window. Don't sit with a window behind you because then that will make you into a silhouette. But face a window, maybe even throw a sheet over the window to diffuse that light and make it softer. We'll put links to some lighting options in the description as well, and these can run about $50 to $100 depending on the light And one light goes a long way into reducing shadows and making you look good on video. All right, let's record a few minutes with our more advanced setup, and you can see the quality from Riverside. And this is what a slightly more advanced setup looks like using my mobile device as the camera, good lighting, and an upgraded USB microphone. And you get high quality video and audio recordings right through Riverside. And that's what you're watching. This video came directly from Riverside as I'm recording right now. So those are some recommended setups if you're just getting started or want to upgrade your setup to more advanced audio and video. If you'd like to learn more about setups, even going to the pro level with video switchers and mirrorless cameras, we have videos on that on our YouTube channel, and you can check out one of those videos right up here. Don't forget to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button on this video, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments on any video. We'll answer those personally. And if you're looking to start a podcast and you want to see the whole process start to finish, we'll have videos on that too. You can check out this one right here that talks about the video podcast process, recording and editing with Riverside, and all the way through where you'll publish that video podcast to find your audience. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create.